Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to my vlog. We are on our way to Washington, D.C. to celebrate my youngest daughter, Jazzy's birthday. So, yeah, she's turning 24 and she's having an amazing year, okay? 2026 is my baby girl's year. Everything good. But anyway, so we're talking, jamming, rocking out to the music. I had to play music over this because we were rocking and jamming, and I don't want to get a copyright strike. So yeah. So now we are almost in Washington D.C. and the sky and the trees are just beautiful, y'all. It's nothing like getting on the road and sit back and relax. You know what I mean? And looking at the scenery. So, yeah, this is us arriving finally. So, this is pre recorded, and this was Sunday, January 18th. Okay, and I think it's about I think we got into DC like 5 or something like that, 6 p.m. on Jazzy's birthday, actual birthday. So we got into DC. The girls wanted to head out to the mall or to the store to get something to wear for dinner tonight. So here we are, cruising. I believe we're downtown Washington D.C. so they can go to H&M to find something. So we came in town and immediately out and about and get ready for dinner. So my daughter had reserved reservations at this place called Gypsy. The environment was really, really great. I love the vibes. Because I have shellfish allergies, food allergies, I couldn't really enjoy much on the menu, but the vibes was amazing. And it was a rough night, but anyway. Into the day two. All right, so here I am at Mikey and Mel's, and I enjoyed the bacon was so perfect. Okay, and the waffles with berry and syrup. The environment was amazing, so I enjoyed the quiet breakfast in the morning. I had to mute this because of the music, so I ordered a potato knish to go. I'm gonna have to show y'all. Of course, I brought one home with me. Okay. But I end up eating this the next morning, the knish. Since I got up early in the morning, the girls went after I returned from my breakfast and they went out to the coffee shop and then to this place called Founders Farmers. So I did go to a Five Below and while my visit here the next day, just to check out. Well, later on that day, just to check out to see what Five Below had here in DC, and plus I needed to grab some more things for Valentine's Day for my girls, and I was looking for some of the large tumbling tower blocks. I knew I probably could have found some, but I had to mute the sound here as well because they were playing music. And of course, I don't want to get copyright flag. It has some nice things, y'all. Hey, y'all. I'm like a real tourist. I came out here. Uh, I don't even know. Don't ask me what mall this is, but they got quite a few stores out here. You got Marshalls down there. It was crowded in Five Below, so I didn't want to um, record, okay? Because it was kids and stuff running in there, and plus the music was playing. So sorry I cheated you out this, but anywho, I made it out here to one of these malls, and yeah, I'm recording, but my heart and mind is not really into it. So Forgive me, but I didn't want to leave without some kind of glimpse that came here, right? Anyway, stay tuned for if I get out and do anything else. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, so I went to Five Below and I've been looking for some of these larger tumbling tower blocks. So I brought three from there. I brought some of this some bar soap moisturizer. I'll see how that feels in a moment. And this face mask. I didn't buy much there, and I love this kitchen background thingy that they have here. So it's pretty cool. I didn't do a whole tour on it, but this is the kitchen area and have like the little bar area, nice and cozy. Something cute, just cute, okay? Oh yeah, and I forgot, I also brought this washi tape, excuse me. I brought the washi tape as well. So I thought these was cute. So the knish didn't last to the next day, but so my daughters came in and they brought me this taco salad, but I couldn't eat it, y'all. I was full. I just finished eating the knish that I brought earlier in the morning. So, but this is what it looks like, okay? And so, have you tried this if you live in DC, this place? How is it? My visit at Wawa's was cool. So, next time I come, maybe this is a sign, is to finally got a chance to go to Wawa's. I hear everybody say Wawa's, right? But next time I come to DC, I'll get a chance to do some more stuff. And I will remember I wanted to get some cigarettes and I forgot that they don't sell. Ooh, got me a smoothie, y'all, stripping. That they don't sell menthol cigarettes. Well, that's a sign. So I went back to Mike and Mel's. It's a little dark. I apologize. Got home fries, Mikey and Mel's, and bacon. And of course, I got me some coffee. Last day here. On our way leaving DC, we decided to check out Miss Toya's. I love supporting our Black owners, business owners. So we stepped in. The music was a vibe, and they were jamming. And yeah, it wasn't many people. It was still early in the day. So yeah, so we decided to come in and check it out. So my daughter picked it, and so I said, let's see what Miss Toya's Southern Kitchen has to offer. So we were looking over the menu. I had to mute because, like I said, I needed to get this video out, and of course, I would have gotten copyright. And so we're looking. It looks delicious. Everything sounds good. So I decided. I believe I got the fried. I got fried fish, which was snapper, and my daughter got fried catfish, and the other one got some seafood pasta. That was for the main core, but we did order appetizers, which will come up next, and um, Yeah. But everything sounds good. We didn't get dessert. I wish we would have gotten dessert, but I was already full because I ate earlier at the deli. So they ordered some drinks. So Jazzy, the birthday girl, got her blueberry lemonade mule. She enjoyed it a little bit. I think she said she needed a little bit more of um, one of those. And Sabrina got a virgin pineapple punch. It was really sweet. I taste the punch and I got an iced tea. And it was very sweet and I didn't enjoy it at all. Bear with me, y'all. I'm trying to get used to vlogging. So we had some appetizers. You had salmon bites with hot honey. Mm-hmm. And Jazzy enjoyed those. I didn't try any. And then Sabrina, she ordered some devil eggs with shrimps. She enjoyed those as well. I never seen the fried shrimp with devil eggs, so that was a new twist for me. So, like I said, I'm getting used to the vlogging, so bear with me. And of course, I wanted the fried green tomatoes, and they had like some corn and a type of sauce. But yeah, so I ordered a fried snapper, greens, mac and cheese, and it came with a stew to dip the snapper to eat with the snapper. I only enjoyed the fish, but I wish the fish had more flavor. It was really bland, and that's much for all of the fried food. And the stew was delicious. Jazzy ordered fried catfish, spinach, and crab fries. She enjoyed hers as well, and she said, the fish was bland as well. The seasonest thing on this table was the stew that came with my meal. And Sabrina ordered jambalaya pasta. She just didn't get the sausage. Overall, I gave the restaurant a 5. I really was disappointed in the flavor of the food. So I wanted to drive past the White House. We was rolling around. Of course, I couldn't get too close enough to get a nice shot, but I wanted to at least drive by there before I left Washington D.C. You know, I haven't been in years, so I know a lot of things changed. But yeah, and we were playing music. I forgot all about, even though she had the music down low, but still, you know. um, it was like, geez, Lord, no. Here she almost passed the red light, and I'm like, oh shit. Don't do it. This the wrong place. It was so fun, but yeah. So anyway, we rode around several times just trying to get in a position to find a nice shot. And it was cold and nobody felt we were ready to go. So we didn't feel like getting out and walking around. So yeah, there's that. We could like go around. I don't know if that's the Pentagon. It probably is.
It looks like it's a stop it.
Shit, it's been years since I've been out here, so I have no idea.
And with the story we got canceled because it was
All right, so we are on our way. Now we're hitting the highway and on our way back home. So, yeah, Washington, D.C. was good. And I enjoyed the trip as much as I could. I can't wait to visit again so I can explore some more things there, get around and actually see some friends and family. So this was just a quick um, getaway. And that's it. Yeah, so it was really good. So we stopped out here at this outlet trying to see which outlet is that. Can y'all see it? Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. So yeah, we out here at the outlet. They got an Old Navy fossil. I seen Coach on the way in. They went to go to Starbucks. And yeah. Ain't much to see. Maybe on the way out I'll show y'all the rest of the stores. But just vlogging. It's not so cold. I think it's in the 40s, I think. It's still cold though, okay? That's it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I promise I'm gonna get better at vlogging. Okay, so just bear with me. And I did find my way to a Dollar Tree out here and picked up some items. So I'll show y'all that later. So thank you for watching. Later. Leave me a comment. Excuse me, and subscribe if you feel your heart content to do so. And if you want more videos like these, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Catch y'all on the next one. Later.